Alright guys, so what we're going to be doing is over the course of I don't know how much time, but we'll be trying out different versions of Linux. Just to we'll start with the popular ones. Get Debian here. Okay. We've already tried Debian. I did a video on Debian. It wasn't too bad. We're gonna do let me see if I can find it. Fedora. Okay. So in Linux, once you download these, so we had to go over here to these download mirrors. Okay. Fedora has some different settings here. They have, I don't know exactly what these media writers are. I'm just going to go over here. I want the ISO x86 64 system, PowerPC. So I guess that's, I don't know what that is, to be honest. What is that, like some Apple crap? Let me see. So this is going to take not a lot of time to download, probably. We'll go back over here, we'll back out of this, we'll go back over to our distro. We'll click a couple of other ones. I have at least two that I know I want to download. Kubuntu is just Ubuntu a little bit differently. But it's certainly not a bad distro. Okay, we'll do the 64-bit. Is it okay? So we can back out of that. The bigger distros have better download systems. Okay, we have Lubuntu. We'll try that one. And it's gonna be pretty close to okay, desktop. Let's see if that clicked on it. Lubuntu. Okay, so we will be downloading several different ones. We're just gonna go through the list for now, that way I can get back on them later on. Kali, we'll try Kali. It's also Debian based. Most of them are, it seems like. Okay. Installer images, containers, why boot? Okay. 64-bit. I don't want the installer. The hell? Complete offline installation. Okay. Alright. Let's see. Alright, so that one's downloading too. Alright. It seems to be why is it doing that? So their webpage is trying to hold my crap hostage. It doesn't make sense, does it? Something's on this page that's not letting me back out of this. So now I've got to go over here. Back over here because something invasive about their distro page. Doesn't make me want to install that for sure. There is the BDSM We got Debian, Dragonfly. We've gotten Fedora. A couple of these are not free, just so you guys know. Lubuntu. I don't know about Manjaro. Arch Linux. This is probably really, really hard to install, is what I'm going to guess. We'll go ahead and download it anyways. We'll just see if we can. Interesting. Cool. All right. So we get KDE, XFC. So you can get a bunch of different ones. Let's try GNOME. We can always try the other ones later. There's like, you could spend like so much time just checking out all these things. Why don't we get them all? We'll get that. I mean, we're already on the page. So the idea is, I don't want to have to go back through here a million times to look for stuff. So I will be just basically going through right now. Wonder what this one is. Midnight. It doesn't seem to want to open. This one looks interesting. Neptune. It's also Debian. Let's see. So we're gonna be trying a lot of different stuff. Let me see. We might skip this one. I don't like how these pages are looking. So we get, I don't know what this is, 2.9. Okay, we'll just click this one. Let me see if it's downloading. Okay, so it is. A lot of these I really should probably be reading up on. Okay, so we got Neptune. Let's see. OpenSUSE. I want to try that one as well. I might have tried this before, but I can't remember. Desktop. For developers, OpenSUSE contributors, games, Linux. For system admin, developers, regular desktop user. A regular release with then benefits of both of enterprise grade and engineering. For developers, OpenSUSE game. Okay. We'll click this one. Oh, Jesus Christ. Takes us into this other page. Okay. Yeah, we do the we got offline image, network image. Well, let's just download the whole thing. Some of these, they want you to download like this huge ass file, which really is nuts. Okay, so this is probably going to take a really long time to download. We'll download this one too while we're in here. Okay, download. So this one was a big name for a long time. Okay, we got, it just scrolled us all the way back. Open Mandriva. I'm gonna try that one also, because it's different. It looks different. we're having trouble opening the page. Okay, so they have Rock, Roam, Cooker, Spins, and Server. Rock is the home and workstation edition. Roam is the rolling edition designed for individual users. Cooker is the open LX division. Spins is community alternative. Let's just see. Okay. What a pain. Here's another one called Oracle. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can figure out that one too. Alright, here's another one called Zorin. We'll also see about that one. Let's see. Apparently not free. Oh, Pro is. Okay. Cool. Yeah. Alright, so we've got a couple of these. Lots of time left. So I think we're about done with everything that I might possibly want to check. Maybe Gen 2. Let's see if we can find that one. Yeah, I don't know if they still have it. Yeah, it's right here. I just remember this from back in the day. So I would like to check it out just because I'm not sure that I ever have. I think the biggest problem back in the day was like good lord, I really can just keep it simple. Good lord, I just want to download the damn thing. Let's see if we can find the Utah. Hey, let's try this Utah thing. Alright. Now we're in this goofy ass directory, which I don't understand these type of directories really. Okay. I don't know what this is. So when it comes to these kind of things, I don't know how to download them. Then we got the Alpha, the AMD 64. Okay. Jesus Christ. So I really don't know. We'll try and download it and decipher through it later. But when it comes to this kind of stuff, I get confused. I really, really don't understand it. I've never sat down and figured it out. There is a DistroWatch torrent archive too, which I'm not sure. I'm not gonna get into all that though. So we're just gonna, when all of these get done, we'll try them one by one, guys. So thanks for watching.